welcome to my birthday month. Oh my god! 11 July is my birthday and I am a birthday enthusiast. I love everybody's birthdays. My birthday, your sister's birthday, brother's birthday, your ex's birthday. I will remember them all. I'm just one of those people. With that being said, I am very excited and I realize it's been a very long that I have done a clothing haul video. Now I know you guys love clothing hauls, so I hope you enjoyed this one. Now all of this shopping has been done over the period of time, but everything is pretty much mostly online, so you can easily get your hands and links for it in the description. With that being said, today's clothing haul is not sponsored, but Numi, if you're watching, this is your girl. I am absolutely their biggest fan. I love their collection and everything that I've picked up. You guys are gonna love it as well. With that being said, if you want to know all things that I got from Numi, then please keep on watching. Let's go. Alright, to start off with, Numi has an online presence as well as an offline presence. I have visited their store, which is based in Mumbai, Malad in Orbit, and I have gotten, oh my god, quite a bit of things from them. But from their offline store, I loved their jeans and a few other pieces. Now when I tell you I love the jeans and it's the jeans of my dreams, I mean it, and you're gonna see it. Other things I have gotten from their app and the experience is beautiful. Everything is very much affordable to, like, I want to say nothing is about 2000 though, for sure 1800, 1500 and below is where my target was. And yeah, I have gotten dresses and jeans and just everything fun in between, so let's get started. I got this corset looking top from Numi and I absolutely love it. It is so pretty. The cups in here are beautiful. Now it did come with the cups itself, but it wasn't fitting all of this, so I ended up cutting it off. Yes, I said what I said, but even without the cups, it looks beautiful. And even if you are someone like me who is heavy busted, you can easily fit into this. Just get rid of the cups because that makes it look like you have 4 boobs and not 2. So yeah, I'm happy with 2. So that's that. So this is how the top looks like. As you can see, it has that corset cut, so it gives you that low cut. At the same time, on the back of this you get this elastic, so it's extremely stretchable and you can easily fit in this irrespective of if you're feeling bloated or not. Yeah, as you can see, it's short from the back and long from the front. I hope I'm doing a good job. I am doing clothing haul after a hot minute, so just bear with me. And yeah, I absolutely love this. I've had this for like literally over 6 months and I enjoyed wearing the heck out of this in summers. And even when I went Goa, I wore this. It's just one of those pieces. It looks very classy, very elite. I am in the size L. Next up on the list we have is a t-shirt. Now, oh my god, when me and my best friend saw this on the app, we were like, we have to get this. Like, it's just like we have to get this. It's just one of those. And you guys, it is, ta-da! So this is an extremely oversized t-shirt and I got the size large. I could have easily gotten a small and fit in. This is too baggy. However, as you can see, it says Passenger Princess, which I absolutely love. I mean, this is so cool. This is so me. I love being passenger princess. It's just my vibe. It's my responsibility. So yeah, absolutely love it. However, Numi has amazing oversized t-shirts, but what I don't like, I strongly don't like, is at the back of them all, you will always find the Numi logo, and I mean, yeah, it's minimal, but I don't like it. Why can't that be on the inside? I mean, if somebody likes my t-shirt, I would like to tell them it's from Numi rather than have Numi behind my back. Like, I'm not the biggest fan of the branding. I mean, it's sly, but I don't like it. However, with that being said, this is an extremely oversized t-shirt and it comes with full sleeves. I like the color combination. However, because it's so oversized, the shoulders on this one just like droops like extremely and it's just a little off shape. However, even in terms of the cloth, it's not, I don't want to say very thick, but it's thick, like, you know, it's heavy, so it's not something I can easily wear in summers. No way I will start boiling. It's a beautiful winter t-shirt for sure, and I personally don't have as a full sleeves t-shirt, so I mean, it's a vibe, it's cool. Then next up we have is a top, which is a wraparound top. Now if you know anything about me, I am the queen of wraparound tops. I just love it. I think it just fits my body beautifully. It just hugs me nice. I'm able to, you know, like cinch in where I need to and just let it loose where it needs to, you know. I just really love it. And again, I saw this and I just knew I have to get this. Ta-da! This is how the wraparound top looks like. It's a plain wraparound with full sleeves, and it's got this texture. I'm not sure if you can see. Yes, as you can see, it's got this texture all over it. I like how the stripes are vertical and not horizontal. Back in the days when I was in school, I was obsessed with stripes, and something I wish somebody told me back at that time is, instead of in horizontal stripes, which actually made me look broader, I should have gone for vertical stripes, because that, you know, just makes you look slimmer and just straight, you know. It's just illusion. But yeah, absolutely love this. You get a lot of extra kapda, as you can see, to wrap around, and yeah, it is a little deep neck, but of course you can, like, you know, just wrap it in a certain way that it is not too deep, and you know, it just fits nice. Again, this is in the size large, and I absolutely love this. Like, I love this. Next up on the list is this denim that, oh my god, I am obsessed with. I love the color. It's a true denim. It fits beautifully. I've got the waist 32. I'm definitely now heading to 34, which gotta keep my diet in check. But yeah, I absolutely love this denim. It looks very beautiful. It's a regular straight fit denim. It's not very tight fitting. Just absolutely love it. It was a little longer for me, so I did get it tailored to my height. But yeah, absolutely love the denim, and the best part is I literally got this for 999. I mean, what even? When was the last time you got a jeans from store at 999? I don't know. This is definitely it for me. With that being said, we are moving to the last two items in this video, which I am so excited for, because both of these items are dresses. I love me a good dress. It makes me feel dressy very instantly. It's like the easiest way. First up is, ta-da! This dress right here. Now, if you have watched my convocation video, which by the way, if you haven't, that is very rude. You gotta check it out, because I literally tried it on for the first time in front of the camera. So I think you will definitely enjoy it, as well as get to see how this dress looks on me in that video. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description and up on the screen. But yeah, I absolutely love this dress. Again, this I had to size up and I had to go for XL, but I genuinely love this dress. It is a very beautiful dress. Iska jo material hai, it's a definite blend between polyester, but like not your cheap polyester that feels and looks ugly and uncomfortable. It's actually a very good quality polyester. So yes, I mean, even though it is polyester in the end of the day, the feel of it is very soft, very luxurious, very comfortable on the skin, because it is full sleeves. At the same time, however, if you are someone who's not very comfortable with short dresses, this might be not for you, because I am 5'2" and it is quite literally a little bit too short for my liking. Now obviously for convocation I could easily pull this off because we had our robes on and it was just easy, but after the convocation, everywhere I was going, I had to be very mindful about where I'm sitting, how I'm getting up, how I'm just moving around, because the slit is a little too up, you know, like as you can see, it's a wraparound dress and it's got this slit at the bottom. So now what I did is I did stick it with the double-sided tape that you get for clothing, and that way the slit was stuck, but then that means your momentum gets a little disturbed, so you have to be mindful. However, the cons for this dress are definitely that it is short, it has got a deeper neck. At the same time, the slit does move a lot, like, you know, Things can be flashy, so you gotta be careful. But with that being said, because it's a wraparound dress, it looks beautiful, hugs the right places, and especially if you are a curvy girl or like me, or a mid-sized girly like me, you would enjoy what this does to you. And because it's a white dress, I mean, how can you go wrong with this? You literally cannot. So yeah, abso-freaking-lutely love this. Alright, lastly we have is tada, this baby right here. Now most of the New Me dresses come packaged like this, and I am so excited for this. Oh my god. Now this is also in the size XL. So when it comes to dresses, I am an extra large. When it comes to their tops, I can easily get away with a large. This is a beautiful dress that looks like this. It's got the ruching at the end, as you can see, and it's got a zip at the back, so it's going to be very easy to wear, and it's a very it's very comfy. It doesn't crumble. It doesn't crease. Even with this dress, like, you know, it doesn't crease. I like dresses or clothing in general that do not crease. This is how it looks like on the model. It's got a beautiful sweetheart neckline. It's got even full sleeves which are see-through, which I love. The length of this is about knee, so it's short but not uncomfortably short. It's a beautiful, perfect short length for me. And this, you guys, is gonna be my birthday dress, like one of my birthday dresses, because like as you can see, the wraparound on the side, it looks so beautiful that my stomach, my waist, it just gets camouflaged. It makes me feel very comfortable. It is a beautiful, it's tried and tested, but you gotta stick around till my birthday to see me actually wear this one. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed all things that I got from New Me. I really love the experience. Yes, some of the items do take about 15 days, especially with the dresses. These were international transit, which is why it took me around 12 to 15 days. However, when it comes to my tops and my jeans, I mean jeans to offline kharida, but my other items, they came in quite literally very quick. I want to say within like 7 to 10 days, which is not bad for New Me standard. And yeah, I really hope you give this app a try. That's pretty much it. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell notification so that you're updated every time I'm online. You can also follow me on my social media. The links are down below, and I will see you very soon. Until then, see ya. Bye.